Experiences have shown that education in childhood has a profound impact on the future of children and young people. A child or a teenager who has been educated and entertained in the early stages of life in astronomy, soccer, painting, film, math, or any other course will most likely build his future on the basis of his talents and learnings. This is the magic of film and cinema that perhaps occupies children and teenagers' minds more than any other entertainment or concern. What heroes and actors that children and teenagers consider as themselves, and what movies these angels make and play by their imagination. As an international children and young people film institute, CIFEJ is committed to providing talented and interested children and teenagers with a variety of programs, including workshops which are held in different countries. The results of these workshops have been stunning, even for us. So, we decided to present some of the productions of the participants of these workshops to you.